St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning Ribhoi District haka arpo khandai tarik unai lur kalapan kutno eka jingra khedap rip hosnam Diamond Jubillee jongkate ka shlam a jingnang jingtep hatham ribhoi yakani ka jingra khedap rip hosnam ka jingya lenti jongkani ka school ko committee Jubillee kalapan long ki program ba pher ki balaya shim bantara ki khana school Hagani ka snipen ko deka Diamond Jubillee lawan bansa khilang do menteri rang ba ka jela u konrat ke sangma haka jingdan rangkat u MLA ka Mauhati constituency ba da sakhiat bha lamare menteri ka PWD u MLA ka Umsning constituency ba Jason S Maulong u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi u Arpit Upadhyay u SP ka Ribhoi u Giri Prasad Father Jimmy Marngar Chancellor Shillong Archdiocese ka Kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC Umsning Father Pius Shadap Father Tobias Karngap Genta, Father Lawrence Lengkoi, Assistant Parish Priest Umsning Parish, but kiwe kilungdo ki badan haka institution, ba pher ha Umsning Parish, lambat ki pas pupils ki khana school, ki kami ki kpajo ki khana school, ki balawan ban sakhi yakani ka sni Lehkmen, ka bakhrajo ka school St. Michael. Lapan shongshit shu yakani ka program daga jingrwai, jingshat bala shimbanta, dagi khana school ki barang puli hakani ka school.
The challenges they must have faced to overcome them and to become one of the best schools in this region. It indeed has been a wonderful journey of last 60 years for the entire family of St. Michael's Higher Secondary School. And so I take this opportunity to congratulate I take this opportunity to thank God Almighty for the blessings that He has showered upon this school and congratulate each and every one who has made this school what it is today. The thousands of lives that have been transformed in this school, the students who have studied here and today are working and having careers in different sectors, be it the private sector or government sector. This school indeed has contributed immensely to the overall development of Umsning area, Ribhoi district and the state as a whole.
I would like to recall the words of Pope Francis when he says, on the occasion of the Jubilee year, or the year on the consecrated life which he declared in 2014, he told these three things to all the religious. Look to the past with gratitude, live the present with passion, and embrace the future with hope. My dear friends, today as we gather together here to celebrate this Diamond Jubilee of the school, I think these words of the Pope are very apt for each one of us and for you all gathered here today.
The name of them is great known Ching. So the bird and the animals will not eat, trample or destroy them. See about the harvesting of the cotton. Each day the cycle is depicted in the dance. Kaneka Tisha, Jai Menteri Ukarpi, Ibadah Ribhoi District, Lapaki, Akane, Kachisha.